Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this attractive vlog intro in Capcut. So if you guys want to create an attractive intro for your vlog, you can use this intro that I'm going to show you. First, what you need to do is just open the Capcut application, and then you can just tap on new project and choose the videos that you want for your vlog. So here I'm going to just find one using the Capcut library. Okay, I'm going to just use the scenery footages. Let's just add clips that you want. Here I'm going to add five footages to my clip. Okay, so when you are done, you can just tap on add. Click on add, and now adjust the durations to how you like it. So I'm going to just split in here. And then you can just choose the videos that you want for the intro. So I'm going to make this one as the intro, so I'm going to move it to the beginning like this. Now what you need to do is just click on overlay, add overlay, and add this green screen overlay for your intro. You can see this is the green screen overlay. So I'm going to put it in here, and then let's remove the green screen by going to the remove background, chroma key, drag the color picker, and adjust the intensity and also the shadow. Okay, you can click on the check icon and preview it first. Okay, so now this is the intro, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can create an attractive vlog on Capcut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.